All right, welcome back. It's Saturday, May 4th, 2024, and today's objective on the 60 is exhaust. So right now we got kind of a bit of a mess. This is the same Magnaflow. I can't think of the part number, 16 something or 67 something like that. It's made for 61 through 64 Impalas. It's a full exhaust from the collector back. Includes stainless mufflers. It's stainless mandrel bent tubing. But I mean, the X-frames 59, 60, and 64 are really similar. Really similar. So I don't see why they don't advertise it as that as well. We've done this kit on the channel here twice. I did it on a 64 I owned, and I did it on another 64 for a guy. Well, we did it, and it's overall it's decent. You know, I mean, it's a bolt-on kit. Here are the clamps. These are the little cushions or whatever, I guess, to reduce vibration. Comes with exhaust tips that are real nice quality stainless. Probably won't use them. They're kind of big. So it's designed for some block hugger exhaust not block huggers, ram horns. Ram horn exhaust manifolds, so stock application. And with this car here, we got these, what are they? Speed Engineering, I believe, headers that kind of shoot way back in the back. So that's going to pose an issue. My buddy with the red rocket, well, he don't have the red rocket anymore. With the 59, he had these pipes from way back that we might be able to utilize. They've been chrome plated and they're tarnished, of course, but if we can get them to work, I'd be happy. And we don't got to take the car anywhere. We do plan on welding majority of these joints, simply because with these clamps, we've noticed on my car, old car, it does drip some water, or condensation I should say, and it's rusty condensation, and it just gets all over the frame, all over the undercarriage of the car. Just looks bad. So we're going to try and weld it. We're going to try and weld up all the joints. We'll see. We might have to relocate some of these tabs, which we did on another car. Cut them off, kind of put them in a different spot. We're going to tie into the body mounts of the car instead of to the frame, and we'll see. This kit has gone up in price. Back in like 2017 or whenever I started the channel and I did it on a car I owned, I think the kit was like $550. Now it's plus $500. I got it on Amazon. Actually, no, I'm lying. I did order it on Amazon and they never took my payment, so I canceled it. I ordered it on eBay, and it was actually local, and it got here the next day. So these kits are kind of out there. They're all over the country, and I mean, I like the fact that it's stainless, and I like the fact that you can do this at home. And I kind of debated back and forth on going to an exhaust shop, and really I don't want to take this car to an exhaust shop. You know, I mean, I'm sure there's good ones out there, but I just didn't want to. I want to do it here at home. So that's the goal today. We've got some reinforcements on the way. Rocket Man, Bobby should be here as usual. And between the three of us, I think we can get it done. It's probably gonna have to be some cutting and tweaking on these pipes. Some twisting, cutting, twisting, welding, tacking, bring it down, weld it up. That's probably what we're gonna do. I'd like to run it all the way to the back, past the tire, past the rear wheels. A lot of guys will cut the exhaust and have it in the front of the tire. That works, but it's loud. It's loud in the cab of the car. You get exhaust smell in the cab of the car. If you run it all the way to the back, it's significantly quieter and no smell. Well, I'm sure it still smells, but not as bad. We did get this car on the lift yesterday to do some assessment, and I think we're going to be okay. We kind of planned it out. So hopefully today at the end of the day, I can start this car and let it run. Not quite drivable yet. I got to mess with the steering. I got to tighten up the steering wheel, but at least I can get it running, let it run, let it get up to temperature, check for leaks and coolant and stuff like that. We're inching along. The exhaust was a big big milestone for this car. After that is pretty much almost done. So anyways, enough yakking. Bring you guys back once we get in the air and make some progress. Yeah, man.
I need it on a reel, man. I got the sound on the reel.
Oh.
Get your phone.
So we got this piece made here, and really all we used out of the chrome section was this piece right here, which we could have utilized off of the piece we cut off.
Yeah. I just need to weld it up.
Got to weld it up. It's a real awkward piece, but after that's fitted, this thing is, I got this stand here on Amazon for $85. Coming in handy. Right now it's kind of just in place. I'm liking it though, man. This kit is kind of like a builder's kit, I would call it, man. You know, like,
yeah, I would say,
because it does require, if you want to make it fit better than it comes, then you got to do some cutting. We got the one hanger right here, and then we're gonna have one in the back. What you think, Bobby?
that's good.
Excited? I'm excited. All right.
For what? 23?
Small block with ram horn. All right, so we'll bring you back once we get this side wrapped up. Alright, so we're done. These pieces were the hardest to figure out, but we kind of had to mock the entire thing up before you actually weld anything. So we utilized the clamp here, and then we welded it to here. So the muffler in this pipe will come out in one section if needed with the clamp. We weld this with C25?
C25 because we're broke.
With stainless wire. And it welds good.
308 wire.
308 stainless?
Yeah.
Oh, 035 thickness.
No, 308 is the wire.
Yeah, but 035 thickness.
Yeah.
Yeah. So man, shit looks good to me, man. I'm happy. It's nice and tucked up right here.
Yeah. Good ground clearance.
Good ground clearance. It doesn't hang lower than the transmission. Transmission pan is the lowest.
And these mufflers, they sound, to me, they sound the best. Right now you're hearing them start.
And we use the body mount bolts. So right here, we welded a tab right there. We just cut the tab off of the pipe that it came with. And then also right here and right here.
Did y'all already like test drive it?
Yeah, we're about to let it down. Same thing right here.
And there's free flow.
Let it down, start it up, see what it sounds like.